Hello everyone, you are watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is right join, and this is lecture number 24 in this series given by myself, Shanaz Malik. Let's quickly go into the core of this lecture and remember the right outer join or right join are the same, and the right join keyword returns all records from right table and the matched records from the left table. The result is null from the left side when there is no match, and the basic syntax is as shown here. Let's quickly jump into the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and see what we have, how we can understand this right join. Now first, I am already opened my query. So the task for right join, or as I said, right auto join, select all columns from given table, okay, and alias as SOH. So I'm just finding all columns, selecting all columns from sales order header and aliasing it as SOH, and join in such a way that the query joins orders with sales.customer, and I'm aliasing it as C. Remember, not every customer has placed an order though, so we can choose to keep these customers in the result set and return the empty orders for these customers, and join both tables on the relationship keys. And so, and then please order query by customer ID found in the sales.customer. Please note the right outer join and simply right join, preserves customers, the right part of the join when no order headers rows can be found. So remember this, please. And the database used in this is AdventureWorks 2017, and if you don't have one, you can download it from the given website and attach it. And if you don't know how to attach, I've already shown in the previous video somewhere in this series, so please go and have a look and then come back and resume from here. So I've written 3 queries. First, I'm just saying that I'm using this database. That's because I have many databases here. If you see, I have this one. I have many databases already in my SQL server, but and then I'm just basically showing you, left table. So this is left table. Select from sales order header. If you see, this is my left table. Okay, so this is left table. So this is one query, selecting everything from this table, left table, selecting everything from right table, and then there is a main query which actually is explaining this right join. So selecting everything from sales order header and then right joining it on sales dot customers, and showing the keys that gives the relationship between the two, that forms a relationship between two, and then ordering by customer dot id. Okay, and let's execute these queries. So we are basically executing 3 queries. This is first query, this is second query, and this is third query. So now see what's happening. And this is your right query, okay, and this is your left, sorry, this is your left table. Okay, so sales order ID, for example, is left, and revision number is left, order date, due date. Okay, so this is your left table. And if you see, when there are no records in the left table, okay, and still we are fetching them because we want everything from right. So this is your right table. If you see, for example, customer ID is here, person ID, okay, store ID, okay, these are all here. If you see, account number is here. So this is your right table. So when we have records in the right table, so we are getting everything from the right. And if we don't have records on the left, then we are fetching we are fetching null values. And that's what actually, if you remember, let me quickly go back. So what I said, the right join keyword returns all the records from the right table. So we are fetching all the records from right table. Okay, so all the records from right table. So this is your right table, if you see. Okay, so we are fetching them all the records from right table, and the matched records from the left table. Okay, the result is null from the left side when there are no records. So that's what it is. So here you see there are no records here, but we are fetching still the null values. This is basically how you execute uh, SQL write join, and very simple, nothing special to worry. And if you like this video, please subscribe and connect to my account if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, thank you all for watching. Data analytics professionals, remember, sharing this video is caring for yourself, your colleagues, society, and all who are in need of this knowledge. With that, it is time to say goodbye and stay safe.